How are you guys doing? Happy, joy, joy? Getting ready for the holidays? I hope so. I work through the holidays, happily. Especially as a freelancer, the rate is pretty darn good at CBS. And at Wynn's as well. Although, it looks like I'll be doing most of my holidays, if not all my holidays, working at CBS News Radio. Which isn't a bad thing. Did you guys hear my piece? I hope so. Did one of you hear my piece? I had 2 pieces run last week. I had one run on Sunday, one run on Monday. Or no, one on Saturday, one on Monday nationwide. So if you were listening to CBS Radio, you may have heard it. It was about, one of them was, they were both on companies that were trying to increase voter turnout in the midterms. And so like they had partnered with like Time to Vote and Rock the Vote and stuff like that. And so one, I spoke with Levi's and Strauss, and the other one I spoke with Lyft, who was offering 50% off rides to the polling. And then in certain underserved areas, they were partnering with other organizations to offer free ride so people could get there, because apparently it was something like 15 million? I don't remember. I have to look it up. It was some ridiculous number of people didn't go vote in 2016 because even though they were registered, because they couldn't get there. That's ridiculous. There should be something out there that people should be doing more. So let me know if you heard it. I really hope you did. I really am kind of excited about that, but that's not about this. This is about my Boxycharm today. So I'm going to show you what I got in Boxycharm. I'm going to use some of it today, and some of it I will not. Mainly because I'm just going to work, sitting in a studio where no one's going to see me. So I got more lashes. I guess I need to start wearing lashes. They keep sending me lashes. I'm not wearing them. Maybe I should have a giveaway. What do you guys think? Should I do a giveaway? I have so many of these lashes. They're beautiful. They're expensive. I don't usually use them. I feel like someone should benefit. And I don't really have any friends that use them. If I were on air, I'd be using them, but I'm no longer on air or camera. So let's go ahead and start out with the lashes. This is the Lashaholic Lashes Instaglam False Lashes. They retail for $14.99, $15. They're made from premium silk fibers. They are pretty. So, here we go. In a little glittery case. Very long, very lush. Party. So then, this is the Gold Digger box, which I think is funny. But that actually makes sense because there's a lot of glittery gold things in here. So next up, which I will not use today. Again, I think I should do a giveaway. This is the Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Oh. Hold on. What color is this? This is Black Glitter Eyeliner. Oh, no, I'm keeping this. Sorry, guys, I'm not giving this away. Well, you never know. Maybe I will. I won't open it, but it's a black glitter liner and it's long lasting. It's supposed to be intense. Very pretty. This one retails for not that much. This one's $5. Okay, so then we'll go with the Luxe Luminous Eye Set in glittery gold color. Ooh, look at that. Very shiny and glittery. They are pretty. I have so many brushes. Thanks, Boxycharm. I really do. And they're nice. And these are really soft. I don't know. Luxe tends to have really nice products, so I don't imagine these will disappoint. I will use those. To use this Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I already, I looked at it earlier, but I put it back in its little case. There you go. It's 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes. Has all you need. This one is a $24 MSRP. I will use that. Oops, I'm pull off the little plastic. There we go. Very pretty. Big, big pans of color. And then, I think I might play with this. I love cover effects, and they do the occasional cover effects. This is glitter drops in gold. This ultra-concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. Can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for a luxe glitter effect on the face and body. It's a big jar, 15 mils, and it retails for $44. $20 for all this. Guys, why aren't you using Boxycharm? Dudes. I'm going to use patchouli all over my lid as just a base color. I still like using base colors. I know that's so old school, but I just find it's easier to blend out colors if I start with a lighter base color. I'm going to use this angled brush, and I'm going to use Poppy, this red right here. It's like a burgundy red. Wow, it is really bright. I'm gonna have to be a little careful with that. And I just remember even a few years ago there was I don't remember, it was one of the Daniel Craig 007 films, and the female lead was wearing like this red eyeshadow, and I just remember thinking, wow, I've never seen that. That is great, and now everyone wears red eyeshadow. So, very exciting that now everyone does. And then, let me go ahead and blend this little sucker out. I'll go ahead and use the other Luxe brush to blend out. I normally would use a bigger, fluffier brush to blend out, but that's not such a bad thing right now. Might as well use my brand new brushes out of the Boxycharm since I'm showing them to you. Hello. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out a little bit too, actually. Not just the edges. I'm going to blend this out because I don't want to do too intense color today. So let me just go ahead and ease this up down into the corner. Out into the outer edge. Just because, again, I'm not trying to look completely made up today. I am just going to go sit in a studio. But I also want to detract from the fact that I look like poop. Right? Okay, and then I'm going to use this color Cinnamon right here. And I'll touch it with a little bit of Poppy. There are people getting in people's way down there, I can tell. And I'm just going to put that underneath on my lower lash line. And then you know, whenever I hear people honking like that, I always end up worrying that if it's something with my car. But then I'm like, well, my car's been there since yesterday. If it were a problem, I'm pretty sure I would have figured it out. Again, touch it with a little more Cinnamon Poppy. Put it on the corner just to intensify the corner a little bit, actually. Okay. Oh. The color is, it is pretty pigmented. I like the fact that most eyeshadows are a lot more pigmented now than they used to be. It used to be very hard to get super pigmented eyeshadows, and now it's not. So I'm going to grab this Luxe something, I don't know what number it is. It's like that sort of tapered-y brush. And I'm going to just grab patchouli, because I tend to, I'm not a big shimmer fan on my brow bone. I just feel like it makes me look a little bit older. I think it just depends on the day. And I also don't like to highlight too much on my cheek because, again, I have texture on my skin, as I've always said, and it just accentuates that too. All right, so I'm going to use the Cover FX glitter drops. I'm literally going to take the tiniest little drop on the back of my hand. Tiny little drop. And I'm going to find a tiny little brush. This is a lip brush, I believe. I'm just gonna grab some from there and put it on my eyeballs. Wow, it is glittery. I might have to grab some more. This is quite glittery. Look at my glittery lid. Wow. And this is just a very super light coat. Because, again, I'm not going out. No one's going to look at me. You should see it on my hand. Look at that. I don't know if the light's catching it, but... Oh, this is nice. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh. It makes me wish, you know what? Whatever. No one's going to see me. I'll glitter up. Whatever. I'll put another drop. Oh no. I got it all over the end of my brush. Okay. There we go. Wow, this stuff is so glittery. It's beautiful. Dang, look at that. Ooh. Look at on my hand. Look at how glittery that is. That is gorgeous. Literally, I mean, that was a tiny drop that I started with, so that I just added another drop because I like glittery. I like shimmery things as much as I wish I could wear it on my face without looking older. All right, so I'm going to curl my lashes. This is a Shiseido lash curler. It's kind of old, but I like it because the way that it's curved, it's good for my eyes because my eyes are a little shorter. They're not super long. So it grabs all the lashes and curls them. I'm going to go ahead and use, fix my eyelashes, my eyebrows. They're looking a little messy there. A color to fill in a couple of spots. And this is using the Brow Gal in brown 2. And then the Lash Sense, Senegence Lash Sense Waterproof mascara with the Volumize. I'll just avoid the eyeliner today. Again, I've got glitter. Who needs eyeliner when you got glitter? I do sell this stuff just to be, you know, in full disclosure. And if you're ever interested, just let me know. I'll be happy to be distributor for you. I will sell to you. All right. And let's see. Party. This is a semi-Boxycharm, doing my makeup for you, or in front of you, or with you. That's just Witch Hazel I'm using. Clean Eye Lips. This is again Senegence, Lip Sense, and Bella. And again, it's one of those really nice colors that I think looks good on everyone. It's a little darker on if you're fair-skinned, but it's very flattering. It's like that brownish pink that looks good on almost everyone. And glitter gloss to be fancy. So I got gold glitter and I got silver glitter. Flip up my hair. And I look a little too glam for work. What do you think? All right, guys. So if you're looking for a good subscription box, I highly recommend Boxycharm. All of this, hold on, let me grab all my brushes here. All of this for $20. $20. This alone costs more than that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please be good. Stay warm. Get ready for the holidays with me. It's going to be fun. All right. Thank you. Be nice. Bye.